Hello，Happy New Year，新年快樂！我有一個抗旨善嘅統一消息係分享俾大家，其中我一個觀眾咧係四大天王，咁佢哋係The Four Heavenly Kings，佢哋係劉德華、張學友、黎明同埋郭富城 ，Andy Lau、Leon Lai、Jackie Chung and Aaron Kwok，as well as 麥明詩 Louisa Mak。咁啊，我希望我哋係領導人咁啊！呢個世界圈咧係細圈，因為唔係個個都做到我哋成功個領導人嚟國際合作啦。咁啊，我家下嚟分享大家一個歌係劉德華唱過嘅，係一起走過的日子。It is together for the days we stride, and it sounds like this。如何面對陣一起走過的日子，現在剩下我獨行，如何讓心息一一講你知？從來無人明白我，唯一你俾我好日子。愛你有愛情，有心有死有義，多少風波都現闖。And with that, I want to just quickly go through announcement. I have an announcement. 麥明詩同埋四大天王啦，呢個月尾30號、31號同埋1號喺3日啦。Tony Robbins 啦，有就上網記錄一個視頻嚟講，即係我哋生意成功，一係點樣我哋合作relationship 合作啦。咁啊，如果你例如如果你有邊個學生想改變佢個印象嘅，咁Tony Robbins 啦會教你點樣改變你嘅思想啦。同埋佢有好多成功生意，其中一個成功生意啊係full body scan，right？It's an AI full body scan that enhances your medical needs. So 月尾3日嘅係新年晚係30、31號同1號啦。With that, I would talk about the chord in the B flat, right? So let's say you want to play Poker Face. It's the music sheet. If you download it, it's written in C major. So it's mostly white keys. C major is the easiest to remember. If you're a piano keyboard, it's mostly white keys. But let's say you want to transpose it to a key of B flat. And so if you look at the music sheet, it's actually a note C A C dun 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 C A G A, something like that, right? So you're still playing the C chord, but you transpose it in a key of B flat. So if you count the C major and C chord, it's tonic, ho, ho, half, ho, right? If you transpose it, your C is a B flat, right? And then there's only two black keys, the B flat and the E flat, right? So that is your middle finger. No, either your middle finger or your forefinger. Tonic, ho. It's a middle finger. So it's E flat, B flat, right? So instead of playing just a note dun 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 dun, or C major, you just transpose it. You're still playing the key of the C note, but it's transposed. So it's B flat, bum 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 bum, and then G is still G, and B flat, C is still G. So that's basically you're playing C in a key. You're playing a C note in a key of B flat. Basically, that's how it is. But remember, B flat is in group 4. It's the hardest to remember. It's black, white, white, right? So group 1 is the easiest to remember. It's mostly white keys. Even the middle finger is white key. Group 2, you have the middle finger in a black key. And if you want to play minor, you move the middle finger lower to white key for the group 2. Group 4 is black, white, white. Black, white, white. Black, white for B flat. Yeah. So there you go. I will continue to talk about chords, and hopefully that could refine your repertoire of music knowledge to play an instrument, especially if you want to align it in accordance to how you sing. Great, thank you.